Hi everyone, this is Raghavinder. Today I'm going to show the video on how to connect to the Twilio connector using the Mule Enterprise Service Bus. Twilio connector is used for many purposes. So usually when we want to send notifications, then we can use the Twilio connector, which is an enterprise version. And even we can get a trial version if you want to test Twilio services. So the features of Twilio are like you can use Twilio to make a calls, and also you can get the calls, and you can record the voice calls, and all the calls will be recorded, and you can get to a particular recording, and also you can delete the particular recording. Apart from this, you can also send short messaging services like simple messaging services or SMSs, and also you can put conference calls. So these are some of the features of Twilio. Usually we can use Twilio with Mule whenever we want to send some SMS notifications to the end users or to the end users especially. Now let me discuss about the Twilio architecture. Twilio has its own REST API. So usually when the client will send a request to the Twilio API, so Twilio, based upon Twilio service which you are accessing. For example, if you are using some SMS services, so Twilio first will hit to the particular its own internal phone number, and it can send the response to the appropriate user. So this is how Twilio will behave. This is the Twilio architecture. Today I'm going to demonstrate upon the Twilio with Mule ESB, and Mule ESB is having AnyPoint Twilio connector. So this Twilio connector is having like many operations that we can perform. So our main example in this demonstration is like explaining how to send SMS using this Twilio connector. So before we configure, before we discuss about the Twilio with the Mule ESB. So if you want to use Twilio connector in your application or API, then you need account ID and access token, which are the two major things that are required. Okay, and apart from these, we need Twilio connector, which we need to download in the AnyPoint Studio. So I have downloaded the Twilio connector, which is the version 1.4, and you can use this Twilio connector to do the different operation, or you can call the Twilio API using the Twilio connector. So this Twilio connector is having some particular configurations. Let me go to the configurations. It requires account SID or account token, or like auth token and account secret key. So like account SID and auth token. These two things are required. So before, let's see how we can get this account SID and auth token. So you need to log into the Twilio API. So this is the Twilio website. This is a twilio.com. And I logged in as a trial user, and this is my account. So whenever you log into Twilio account, you can configure your own phone number. So by default, Twilio has provided me this phone number. So if I send any messages, those messages will be from sent from this number. Okay. So this is a Twilio number that I have provided. And now what I want to do is whenever you create your login to Twilio, they will provide as a basic access token and access secret. When you click on this home button, let's log into home. So in the dashboard, you can see that your account SID and auth token. Okay, auth token is by default, it is like a secured. So if you want to see this, you can click on this. You can see the account SID and auth token, which you need to use these two values in order to connect to the Twilio API. So what I have done is like I have already having Twilio configuration I have done. So let me go to the Twilio configuration and have provided account SID and auth token and click on OK. Once you have done this Twilio configuration, Twilio is having a lot of operations. Like you can see that all the operation, like you can get the incoming, like you can add some phone numbers, or you can get a caller ID. And you can create applications within Twilio. Also, you can create applications and sub applications, and also you can get the account details. And so once we have configured Twilio, select the operation. So my operation I'm selecting is send SMS message. So send SMS. So already this is available over here. Let me send SMS message. So always you need to configure whenever I select the operation, the from number should be the Twilio's number, which they have given. That is a predefined number. And let me click on phone number. When you click on phone number, I mean, like you can see this is an incoming number. And yes, this is the number. It's 616-710-3940. Copy it and paste it over here. This is the from number. Sorry, I didn't copy it well. I'm just typing 616-710-3940. 710-3940. And two messages. I want to send this message to my phone number, so I'm giving two, and the body number is hello, how are you? This is the message I want to send to the end user. Save this program, and yes, let's deploy this application in the Mule environment. Click on run as Mule application. Yes, we want to run this application. So click on console. Let's see that application is getting deployed. Let's see the output in our, the Apple phone, which I have configured earlier. Let me open this. And I'm showing AirPlay. Yes. So here the application is getting it is getting deployed. Yes, it is deployed perfectly. Now let me go to my Chrome browser and let me say this is the port number we have configured. So ours is localhost colon 8083 slash SMS is the endpoint here we have given. Click on enter. So if the request is successful, then Twilio will return the response, like what is the SMS that is sent and what is the message body. So I send the request. Let's see if there are any errors we'll fix. Not, let's go there, and still it is sending the request. Let's wait and see. So this is my iPhone. Let me go and send the request to the which API which I have created. Click on localhost colon 8083 slash SMS. So when I click on this, it is going to send the request to the Twilio. So Twilio has to send the response. So it is sending the response as SMS ID and the phone number to which it is sent and the content of the message. So let's go and see in our iPhone whether we got the message or not. So when you click on this SMS, you can see that you got a message saying that, hello, how are you? Hello, how are you? Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to change the content of the message. So I'm going to message flow and I'm going to change the content of Twilio. I'm saying that just I am fine. To the same number, I'm going to send the message. Click on console. So it is like our application is deploying. Yes, it is deployed. Now let me click on this and let me send the request again to this our Mule app. Click on send. See, again we got a message. Let's go and see here. See, I got a message stating that I am fine. So this is how we can send messages using Twilio Mule USB connector. Thank you. I have done with my demo, and all my code and what are the configurations I have done. I've written in this PowerPoint. Thanks for watching video.